Today's session, we will be going through the model question papers. We have almost covered the syllabus part, and again, there is one more topic to be covered for the stock market, which will take it in the next section. This session, we will go through some of the model questions. The first one is according to the 1991 census, the highest percentage of population in India is to be found in the age group of the answer is 5 to 14 years. Which one of the following pairs are correctly matched? Increasing monetary expansion, low import growth rate in India, recession in Indian industry, euro issue, shares held by Indian companies in European countries, portfolio investment, foreign institutional investors. The answer is 1, 2, and 4. So the wrong one is the third one, that euro issue. Okay, shared held by the India. The euro shares held by the Indian companies in European countries. That is a wrong answer. Because shares held by Indian companies in European countries, foreign investors, that doesn't comes as a that never calls as an euro issue. Okay, and the other one is which one of the following is true regarding the Jawahar Rosar Yojana? Under the scheme, the answer is under the scheme of 30% of unemployment generated is deserved for women. The Narasimha Committee for Financial Sector reforms had suggested reduction in. The answer is SLR, CRR, and priority sector and financing. Next is one of the reasons of India's occupational structure remaining more or less the same over the years has been that. The answer is investment pattern has been directed towards capital intensive industries. The sixth question is the main reason for low growth rate in India, in spite or in spite of high rate of savings and capital formation, is high capital output ratio. Which one of the following is correct regarding the stabilization and structural adjustment as two components of new economic policy adopted in India? Answer is stabilization is a gradual multi-step process which structural adjustment is quick adaptation process. One of the important goals of the economic liberalization policy is to achieve full convertibility of the Indian rupee. This is being advocated because the convertibility of Indian rupee will stabilize its exchange value against major currencies of the world. A redistribution of income in a country can be best brought about through progressive taxation combined with regressive expenditure. As per the 1991 census, which one of the following has the lowest population density than the other three? That is Sikkim. As per the 1991 census, the average size of households in terms of number of person per household in respect of the given state followed the sequence, that is UP, West Bengal, Gujarat and Kerala. The 12th one is Human Development Index comprised literacy rate, life expectancy and at birth, and the answer is national income per head in US dollars. 13th one, in India inflation is being measured by the wholesale price index number. National income is net national product at factor cost. The minimum alternative tax MAT was introduced in the budget of the government of the year for the year 1996 to 1997. According to the latest census figures, sex ratio in India is fluctuating. The answer is fluctuating. According to the World Development Report, low income economics are those for which the per capita GNP in 1994 was Answer is US dollar 725 or less. The capital the capital account convertibility of the Indian rupee implies the answer is the Indian rupee can be exchanged for any major currency for the purpose of trading financial assets. The 19th one, a consumer is said to be in equilibrium if the answer is he is able to fulfill his needs with given level of income. And the 20th question, the supply side economics lays greater emphasis on the point of view of consumer. Human Poverty Index was introduced in the Human Development Report of the year 1994. The current price index is nearly 330. This means that the answer is weight mean of price of certain item has increased 3.3 times. The economic crisis is the later half of 1990s most seriously affected Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia and South Korea. The cause of the crisis was the answer is mismanagement of the financial resources and financial sector in general. Since 1980, the share of the tertiary sector in the total GDP of India has shown an increasing trend. The answer is it was showing an increasing trend. 25th, from the balance sheet of company, it is possible to, the answer is determine the size of composition of asset and liabilities of the company. The 26th, persons below the poverty line in India are classified as such based whether, the answer is they are entitled to a minimum prescribed food basket. 27. Which one of the following statement regarding the levying, collecting and distribution of income tax is correct? The union levy, collect and distribute the proceeding of income tax between itself and the state. So these are the model questions model questions which are come across some in PSC and PSC questions, and some of the questions may not be relevant for your examination, but still I have taken all the questions just for your understanding, because some of the question asked for the UPSC exams which is not important for you, but still the questions are here and you go through it, understand it, okay, and in any point, okay, some point which you feel you want some more explanation, okay, or to understand some more in detail, in that case you can contact us on the WhatsApp number. We will cover those details, okay, or we will clarify those doubts, okay, whichever it is necessary, okay.